Installation video for our full-motion TV wall mount with 40-inch extension. Take off the rails from the VESA plate. Next, take off the plastic bag wrapped on the rails. Wood stud mounting option. Use a stud finder to locate the studs and center the mount template on the studs at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the template to the wall and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 7/32 inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.6 inches. Secure the mount arm to the wall using lag screws and washers. Tighten the screws until secure. Concrete or brick mounting option. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the template to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the 6 mounting holes with a pencil as shown here. Use a 3/8 inch masonry drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.6 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the provided lag bolts and washers, then tighten the screws until they are secure. Installing the TV to the mount. Lay your TV down on a flat surface and align the VESA plate over the VESA holes. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes. Then attach the VESA plate to the TV. Attach the VESA plate to the arms. Loosely install the nuts onto the top 2 screws that are attached to the VESA plate. Then slide the 2 screws into the 2 slots at the end of the mount arms. Use the bubble level to level the TV, then tighten the upper 2 nuts until secure. Reinstall and tighten the lower nut until it's secure. For TVs with larger bolt VESA patterns, use the TV brackets and the extension bars to install the TV to the mount. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes, then attach the VESA brackets to the TV. Insert the extension bars. Slide the extension bars into the VESA plate. Install the safety bolts into the 6 locations shown here to secure the bars in position. Lift the TV up and hang the TV brackets onto the wall mount extension bars. Secure the TV brackets on the mount by attaching the 4 safety brackets with 4 bolts as shown on the image. Cable management. Route cables through the cable clips on the bottom of the mount arm. Ensure enough slack is left in the cords for the full range of movement of the mount arm. Angle adjustment. Adjust the tilt angle of the screen by loosening the bolts shown here using the provided hex wrench. Tilt the screen to the desired angle, then tighten the bolts back in place. Adjust the level of the screen by loosening the bolts shown here. Level the screen to the desired angle by using the bubble level, then tighten the bolts back in place.